the previous episode of Bigg Boss was really interesting to watch. Even though Priyanka Jagga has been eliminated from the show, she is still causing fights in the house. Manveer lashes out on Swami for saying something about Priyanka, and Naveen joins Manveer and loses his cool on Swami Om too. Next morning, the whole house grooves to the song It Happens Only in India. Rohan questions Akanksha and Lokesh if they have taken anyone's permission to use the bathroom before them. Akanksha says that they don't need to take permission from the Maliks to brush their teeth. Rohan turned to Karan for validation and he agreed with Akanksha's point. The second luxury budget task was introduced for the week, which was the BB laundry task, wherein both the teams were assigned the task to wash, clean and iron clothes made available. Each team had to complete a consignment of 35 clothes by the end of the task, after a thorough quality check. Rohan and Nibita were given the responsibility to inspect the clothes of the opposite team and put dirty clothes in the reject bin. Bigg Boss also informed that apart from it being a luxury task, the result will have direct implication on Satta Parivartan and upcoming nominations. On hearing the siren, the housemates begin the task and soon got at each other's throat. Rahul and Manoj start snatching clothes from each other to secure a large share for their respective teams. And for the first time, we could see Rahul being all aggressive and getting into a verbal spat with India Wale. Rohan, as the inspector, instructed the communist team on how they should wash the clothes. Manveer lost his cool and asked Rohan to do his job and not interfere in the matter. Rohan, not finding the quality of a cloth better, rejects it and asks the commoner to wash it again. Naveen gets angry at this and yells at Rohan by saying that he will not wash it again. Later, Mona Lisa, who was warned about Manu's intention towards her, confronted Manoj about what the celebs have to say about him. Amidst all this drama and fights, Manoj and Manveer were seen poking fun at Swami Om, after he told them that he is going to make a biopic on his film. Swami added that the budget for the movie is rupees 100 crores. Rohan asked Nibita to cook something for him as he was hungry, but Nibita refused. Rohan reminded her that the celebs are the Maliks and hence can't cook. However, Nibita instigated an argument saying the luxury budget task is on and hence the celebs can do their own work themselves. Shocked at hearing this, Lopamuza said that when the celebrities were Sevak, Lopa and Bani had cooked for everyone during the luxury budget task. Bigg Boss then called everyone in the living area and informed them that they performed very poorly in the task. Mona Lisa then lashes out at her co-celebrity contestants for passing a comment on her. This is the first time we saw Mona losing her temper on the show. We can also see Manu telling Lokesh that she is comfortable here just because they are here. He tells her that just because of the group of commoners and their unity, they are all feeling comfortable. Manveer and Naveen agree with Manu and say that they alone wouldn't be able to survive with celebrities. In the upcoming episode, we will see Rohan Mehra having a verbal spat with Manu, which will lead to an ugly physical fight between the two. The second week of Bigg Boss Season 10 is really grabbing everyone's attention with its high voltage drama. For more information and updates, subscribe to Teletalk India.